Welcome to this explainer on Aventra Business Lending. Look, if you're running a small or medium-sized business, ambition, that's your daily fuel. It's what gets you up in the morning. But we have to ask, what happens when your relentless drive completely outpaces the resources you currently have on hand?
So let's get real for a second. What's actually standing between your ambition and your business's next big growth phase? For most of the incredible entrepreneurs out there, the answer isn't a lack of great ideas, and it's definitely not a lack of market demand. It's the friction, the absolute grind of securing growth capital. You know the feeling, you found the absolute perfect commercial space, or you're finally ready to hire that massive new team, but the financial fuel just isn't there to ignite that next phase.
And this sets up a massive clash, your needs as an entrepreneur versus traditional lending. As a business owner, you're operating in real time. You need speed, you need flexibility, and you need a financial partner who actually understands that a window of opportunity closes fast. But traditional banking? Well, you've probably been there. It's an agonizingly slow, frustrating maze of rigid red tape. It's a sterile process that essentially treats your incredibly dynamic business like nothing more than a standardized number on a spreadsheet.
That incredibly complex, difficult landscape is exactly why Aventra Business Lending stepped into the picture. They don't shy away from being an intermediary, they totally embrace it. In fact, their whole mission is summed up perfectly by their motto: "We are the middleman in between you and success." They act as the ultimate bridge over that deep, dark valley of traditional banking bureaucracy, connecting your ambition directly to the capital you so urgently need.
So what does being a financial intermediary actually mean for you? Think of them less as a strict, direct lender with a narrow set of rigid rules, and more as your trusted consultant, your expert guide. They use proprietary tech and serious industry know-how to navigate that complex financial maze for you. They do the heavy lifting, connecting you with perfectly customized solutions from a massive nationwide network of lenders to get you the absolute best funding possible. And this approach brings us to what we like to call the Aventra Arsenal. We're talking about a comprehensive toolkit here. Need a quick, straightforward cash injection? They provide working capital. Looking for highly competitive rates? They secure SBA loans, including 7A, 504, and Express loans. They also offer equipment financing for when you need to upgrade your hardware, business lines of credit for totally flexible access to funds, and commercial real estate financing for building or investing. Literally, it's a full suite designed to fuel practically any growth trajectory you're on. Let's break down how this actually works for your day-to-day business challenges. Say you need to upgrade your tech infrastructure. Boom, equipment financing is your perfect match. Or maybe you're dealing with a massive cash flow strain of unpaid 90-day invoices. Invoice factoring steps in so you get paid up front. And for big physical expansions like snagging a multifamily property or doing a major renovation, commercial real estate financing bridges that gap. They literally tailor the exact financial tool to the specific friction point your business is facing right now. Now, here's where things get really interesting. You know how traditional banks usually want to see years of pristine operating history before they'll even glance at your application? Aventra completely flips the script. They significantly lower the barrier to entry. To qualify, your business only needs a minimum of 3 months in operation. Just 3. This is huge because it ensures that startups and newer businesses with a fantastic product market fit aren't starved of the capital they need to scale just because they haven't been around for half a decade. And it gets better. To qualify for funding, a business only needs a minimum of $5,000 in monthly revenues, $5,000. By dropping this threshold so low, Aventra is actively stepping up for the exact small businesses that big traditional financial institutions consistently leave behind. They are looking at your current momentum and your day-to-day operational reality rather than just waiting for some distant, lofty financial target. But what if you've had a stumble? Listen, real entrepreneurs take risks, and sometimes those risks result in a fall. Crucially, a history of bad credit or even a past bankruptcy does not automatically disqualify you here. As long as you meet those basic requirements of 3 months in business and that baseline monthly revenue, you can very often still secure the working capital you need to keep your operations moving relentlessly forward. To pull all this reliable funding off, Aventra taps into a vast, deeply established network across the entire United States. But actually, their capability doesn't just rigidly stop at the border. They also handle select international lending and business funding opportunities on a case-by-case basis. So whether you're opening a domestic retail location or expanding a massive cross-border supply chain, they have the professional network in place to seamlessly support your scale. Okay, so how complicated is the actual process? Honestly, it's incredibly streamlined for the speed of modern business. Step 1, an initial application that takes all of 5 minutes. Step 2, You simply submit some basic supporting documents. And step 3, once they have the full package, an offer is generated within 24 hours. That's it. It is a remarkably rapid, efficient process totally designed to bypass all those agonizing institutional delays. So we've covered the severe headaches of traditional banking and how the strategic, rapid solutions from a dedicated financial intermediary can completely change the game. The real question now is, are you ready to navigate your future effortlessly? Your hard work, your grit, and your ambition have brought your business this far. Now it's time to make sure you have the exact right partner to expertly fund wherever your ambition is taking you next.